Hello everyone, I am VC. Before going into the class, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will get all my videos as notifications. So what we will learn in today's concept? In today's concept we will learn about what is body plan and segmentation. So what is meant by body plan, what are the types of body plans we have, and what is segmentation, what is the definition for segmentation and types of segmentations. We will see one by one at the end of the video so that you will get a clarity about the concept. Body plan. Animals have three types of body plans. So how many types of body plans does animals have? Animals have three types of body plans. So we can see it with the help of the chart. So animals are classified into three based on their body plans. What are those three? Cell aggregate plan, blind sac body plan, tube within tube plan. So what are the three types we have? Cell aggregation plan, blind sac body plan, and tube within the tube plan. So coming to cell aggregate plan. Cell aggregate plan is a cluster of cells within a limited division of labor in which tissues of organs are absent. So when we talk about cell aggregate plan, a cell aggregate plan is like a cluster of cells and it is having a limited division of labor in which tissues of organs are absent. Tissues or organs are absent. So what is the example for cell aggregate plan? We have sponges. Coming to blind sac body plan. So how to define blind sac body plan? Cells are organized into tissues and there is a division of labor and each tissue performs a specific task. So in blind body sac plan we have cells which are organized into tissues and there is a division of labor and each tissue performs a specific task. So take a single opening of the body for ingestion and ejection. Example, coelenterates, flatworms and ctenophores. So there is a single opening of the body for ingestion and ejection. So this is a specific task by that opening of the body. Here we can see all this. You can see in coelenterates, flatworms and ctenophores. Next we have tube within the tube plan. So the tube within the tube plan, how it is given? It is the level of organization in which organ system is present and proper digestive canal is also present. It has two openings. The tube within the tube plan is very good level of organization of organ system and it has a proper digestive system. You can see a proper digestive canal in them and it has two openings. One is for ingestion and the other one is for ejection. Example, ask helminthes. That is about the three types of basic plans which we have. What are they? Cell aggregate plan, blind sac body plan and tube within the tube plan. A cluster of cells with a limited division is present in cell aggregate plan and cells are organized into tissues with the labor having a specific task is called blind body sac form, and a level of organization with organ system and proper digestive system or digestive canal is present is in tube within the tube plan. So that is about these three. And when we talk about high body plans of all higher invertebrates and vertebrates cannot be described due to increase in their body complexity. So why is more complexity in their structure and their body, so we cannot give with the body plans, but we can define them with the help of the development from the blastopore. These can be classified into two types. They are we have classified them with the help of development from the blastopore. So if mouth develops from the blastopore, then they are called as protostomes, and if anus develops first from the blastopore region and then it is called as deuterostomes. So first mouth develops from the blastopore and later anus develops, it is protostomes, and if anus develops first and later the mouth develops, it is called deuterostomes. So what are the examples for protostomes? Arthropods and roundworms, annelids and mollusks. Whereas in deuterostomes we can have echinoderms and chordates. So that is about body plan. And next we have segmentation. So what is segmentation? In some animals the body is externally and internally divided into segments or somites with a serial repetition of at least some organs. This type of division or segmentation is called as segmentation. So segmentation can be of the following two types. So we can classify segmentations into the following two types. They are Metameric segmentation and Pseudometamerism. So first one is metamerism or metameric segmentation, and second one is Pseudometamerism. Or coming to metameric segmentation or metamerism, a segmentation that simultaneously divides body both externally and internally is called metamerism or metameric segmentation. As I have said, segmentation is the simultaneous division of the body externally and internally into metamerics or metameres is called as metameric segmentation. This kind of segmentation is found in annelids, arthropods and chordates. So when we see arthropods, annelids or chordates, we can find lining or structures on them which are present both externally and internally. These are called as metameres, and the segmentation is called as metameric segmentation, and examples are annelids, arthropods and chordates. Next we have pseudometamerism. What is pseudometamerism and where we can find pseudometamerism? Pseudometamerism is found in tapeworm. So we can see the image of tapeworm here, and the body is divisible into parts or segments called proglottides. So in pseudometamerism we can see that the body is divisible into parts or segments called proglottides. Example is tapeworm. They develop from the neck but are not embryonic in origin. So what to be remembered is that these segments, which are called proglottides, are developed from the neck but are not embryonic in origin, and the repetitions appears is due to repeated budding known as false segmentation or pseudometamerism. Development of the segments is from neck, that which is not embryonic in origin, but the repetition which appears is due to the repeated budding known as false segmentation or pseudometamerism. That is about pseudometamerism. And in my next classes we will see about notochord and other important factors or concepts in animal kingdom. So that is for now. Hope you all are understanding my concepts. Share with your friends, support us and like us, and don't forget to subscribe.